Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple say command, or basically a command that takes in a parameter and has the bot send that message. So it's pretty useful if you want to make announcements and stuff. It's very similar to the last tutorial that I just uploaded with the embed messages. The only difference is that we are just sending messages in general. So it's really no difference. So let's just go ahead and implement that. Again, this is going to be a very short tutorial, but this is something that I figured I would make. So we're going to create a say command, and this is a 3-letter command, and we want to extract the parameter. So basically the way it's going to work is we're going to say $say, hello guys, this is an important announcement, and blah blah blah. We want to get this entire substring. So H is at position 5. So we're going to pass in 5 for the substring command. So we're going to say let's announcements equal message dot content, call the substring function because we want to get the substring, pass in 5. So you're going to see when I log this to the console, and when I just copy this again, and if I show you my console, our bot hasn't started up yet. Okay, you're gonna see that the entire substring starting from hello all the way to the end has been extracted with the substring function. That's what it does. So just so you guys read up on it, it's very important, very useful method that you can use. Okay, so now let's just have the bot send this message back to the channel. So we can say message.channel send announcement, and of course you can do this using an embed message if you want to. This is why this tutorial is no different than the embed message. The only difference is that we are triggering the bot to send something. Okay, so hello guys, this is an important announcement. Now if you wanted this bot to send this message in another channel, you can do so by simply getting the ID of the channel or the name of the channel. And the first thing you have to do is you actually have to get the channel first. Okay, you need the actual channel object in order to call the send function on it. Now the easiest way to retrieve a channel, if you know that channel exists, you can just go over to Discord. You can right click the channel. You need to make sure you have developer tools enabled. Just go to settings and just go to developers and enable it. Should be pretty easy. But you're gonna right click and you're gonna click on any channel you want, and you just copy the ID. So let's say, for example, if I want to send it to let's see, the support channel, right? Or let's just say if I had an announcements channel. Let me actually create one. Okay, so let's just say if I wanted to send a message to this announcements channel, I copied the ID. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say let announcements channel equal, so I'm going to say clients dot channels. So channels itself is the channel manager. Okay, the client class, the client object itself is the actual client. This is what we're using to log the bot in. Okay, so the channels is a channel manager, and it has the property cache, which is a collection, and we can call the get function and pass in the ID. And this is, we can just say if to check to make sure that it's a truthy value. We can say if announcements channel, and instead of message.channel.send, we're going to say announcement channel.send, and then our announcement, just like that. Okay, so let's just delete this because we don't need that, because since we only have one line that needs to be conditionally executed, we can omit the curly braces. So let's try this again. Where were we again? No. Okay, let's try this now. You should see an announcements. Hello guys, this is an important announcement. Perfect. Okay, let's try something else. If you don't want to get the channel by ID, but you want to get it by name, you can also do this. I'll show you. So let's say if I want to send it in the support channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, let's see, I think I only have one channel that has the name support. I actually have another one. Let's do ticket support. Okay, so let's just say let's ticket support channel equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say client.channels, the same properties, .cache. Instead of .get, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call .find. And we're going to find a channel that has the name support. Okay, so since cache is a collection of all of the guild channels, the .find function takes in a callback function, and it basically is going to find the first channel that matches the predicate. Okay, the callback function is also known as a predicate function. Okay, it's going to basically return true or false. In this case, we want to compare each channel name. What is it? Channel. Oh, why is it not? Channel.name. The two lowercase equals support. Okay. And so if this is true, it's going to return the actual channel, the first channel that it, the first channel for the for this condition that's true. And if it doesn't find a channel, it's going to return undefined. So we can do, let me go ahead and just replace this if with that. And let's just save. Oh, wait, whoops. Gotta change announcements channel to ticket support channel. Okay. So again, we are trying to find the channel by name now instead of getting it by ID. And we're checking to see if the ticket support channel is truthy. Okay, if the channel actually exists. And if it does, we're going to send the announcement. So let's try that right now. We're going to go to here. Should work. Seems like it didn't. Missing access, huh? Oh wait, I'm sorry. I said ticket support, not support. Okay, so the channel does exist, obviously, but there's two different channels, and I'm guessing it's looking at this one first compared to this one. I'm not sure. Let's try this again. Okay, so now ticket support, you can see, there you go. So those are two different ways you can retrieve channels, and that's how you can send messages in a different channel, as well as creating a simple command that can have the bot send whatever message you want. Okay, so hopefully this was a very fun tutorial for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.